Hello friends, Friday sing tini shringlainai English grammar ni topics tini lesson kan Gerund nuti. What they exactly are, why they are needed, when can be it used. So let's get started. What is a gerund? When we use a verb in place of a noun is called gerund. Jefro verb pilogi ing jithe pawi noun ni jago sing use khlayo abrono hino gerund. Tabo sing gerund no bahai ke form khaile okay verb ni logi ing add khlaike na abo gerund ngi thango as a noun. Mutunar di box plus ing sing dal di case khlaibano kaisa hingke gerund te kaisa hingke present participle. Gerund of form the sing use khlayo as a noun. Fiaba present participle no hingke sing use khlayo as a modifiers. Eba keba progressive verbs no progressive verb mati boni video ro sing layana kiaba faidi tabo gerund ma sibina sing like rawan faidi inge tabo example in this sing samelena swimming is good for health or subject inka swimming ge sing samana swimming to verb sa bo noun boya pronoun boya sing samana subject ge to noun eba pronoun sing na ni kok tamani kia boro verb te bahage as a subject use like ja kan swimming verb hinpa no oro bo verb hake behave khlailia bor behave khlaika as a noun omoni bagina obono hino gerund as a subject use khlaja mane take an example I need ne writing is an exchange of idea oro writing ka gerund bo oro subject hake ex khlaika te use khlaja ka reading helps a lot in learning new things oro reading verb hinpa no bo subject hake oro act khlaika abono bagina bono hinose gerund tabu sujaratik to sing simon like rakha gerund as a subject use khlajang mani second number nainai as an object use khlaibano te third number nainai as complement of verb to be tabu faidi simon lainai gerund as an object use khlajak mani example I love dancing o jagao dancing inka gerund te bo use khlajaka as an object Mark enjoys cooking a lot. Ozagao cooking hingke gerund they use khlajaka as an object. Take an example. That is a good painting. Ozagao kingke painting nongka gerund they use khlajaka as an object. Himdi Simon line gerund nete kaisa example. Gerund can be used as complement of verb to be. Get to be term verb hingke present is am are the past tense hangangke was but were. Example, Kriti's favorite hobby is playing the piano or playing in gerund use kajaka as complement of verb is obonka to be form. Take a example. Competition is trying to do better than your opponent. Or sentence of trying in gerund use khlajaka as complement of the verb is obobonka to be form okay tinin video jotono gerund nutui finding ke tabuk tinin lesson sing jesir laimano tese reverse khanere ne puilani sing laika gerund tam hin gerund ka kaisa verb kya babo sentence o subject ake add khlayo te use khlajaka verb ni first form ni ing hefajagai abria golo sing laika gerund kaitam lamao use khlaijak mani puila hangke sentence as a subject use khlaijak mani second time hangke as an object use khlaijak mani te paitha go hangke as a complement of verb to use khlaijak mani ike barbro tini lesson anshukna narok ang back kringi video fashion mai tamun bagai bela bela kan bai jatano kenaro ama hina te video nangi to kan comment khai sati te a video na sajak hingke like kaisa rina tapoki te ani channel ko tarung to hangke abo hanga te video manna bagai subscribe khaitoni bela kan hamba